Hi guys, in this video I'm going to explain about iskeyword method. Iskeyword is a method from keyword module which basically defines whether a particular string is a keyword or not. I hope you are aware about what a keyword is. Uh, so a keyword is a reserved word by the program and it does have a different meaning attached to it. For an example, for, if. So these are kind of keywords of a particular of Python. So let's start. I have the IDE open, Python I'm using over here. So I've created a Python file is keyword. So I'm going to import my keyword module and I'm going to create two variables over here where I'm taking a proper keyword, the first one, and the second one I'm taking a wrong one. Now I'm going to just print these two values where one, and I'm going to print whether it is a keyword or not. So to use it, so we have keyword dot each keyword and we have to pass the argument as var1 over here, and the same way we can do it for var2. I did just a copy paste over here. So now let's see. So you can see now if it's true and the second one output is false. That's it. Thank you.